Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another episode of New Words. Today I tried to gather some of the words surrounding the food. It consists of some non-veg, some veg, some of the breakfast items, and some of the words that we use normally. So let's start with number one. Number one we have is malfoof. I repeat, malfoof. It means cabbage. Then we have number two, al-qara. Al-qara. It means gourd. Then number three we have at-tamatam. At-tamatam. It means tomato. Then number four we have as-silq. As-silq. It means spinach. Then number five we have al-khiyar. Al-khayar, that means cucumber. Then number six we have al-qar'u al-murru. It means bitter gourd. Number seven we have al-shay al-akhbar. Your favorite green tea. Your favorite is not in the word. I'm just saying many people they use green tea. So number seven we have al-shay al-akhbar. Then number eight we have Ash-Shay al-Aswad, black tea. In Asia they call Suleimani tea. Then number nine we have Ash-Shay bil-Halib, milk tea. Then number 10 we have Al-Mashwi. Al-Mashwi. Then number 11 we have Al-Baydul Maqliyu. Al-Baydul Maqli. It means egg fry. Then number 12 we have al-ujja. It means omelette. Number 13 we have al-lahmul musaffad. Lahmul musaffad. It means meat square. Then number 14 we have lahmul maqliyu. That means fry meat. Then number 15 we have lahmul masluq. Lahmul masluq. It means boiled meat. Number 16 we have wajba. It means meal, one meal of a day. Right? That's called wajba. Then number 17 we have tawbal. It means spice that you use to make the different types of curry or any types of food, or it's mostly used in Asia. A lot of spices they have in their food. Then the last we have al-ukalat al-sari'a, the favorite of all, fast food. Al-ukalat al-sari'a, fast food. So I repeat once again. Number one we have malfoof, that means cabbage. Number two we have al-qara, that means gourd. Number three we have at-tamatam, that means tomato. Number four we have as-silq, that means spinach. Number five we have al-khiyar, cucumber. Number six we have al-qar'ul mur, that means bitter gourd. Then coming to number seven we have green tea, that's ash-shay al-akhbar. Then number eight ash-shay al-aswad, black tea. Number nine ash-shay bil-halib, milk tea. Right. Then number 10 we have al-mashwi, grill. Then number 11 we have baydul maqli, egg fry. Number 12 hujja, omelette. Number 13 lahmul musaffad, meat square. Number 14 lahmul maqli, fry meat. Number 15 lahmul masluq, boiled meat. Then 16 we have is wajba, meal. 17 we have is tawbal, spice. 18 we have al-ukalat al-sari'a, fast food. So these were 18 new words that surrounds the food which I tried to present to you. So if you can try to memorize or try to use in your sentences, small sentences, it will benefit you to remember. So if you are eating in your meal, let's say for example cabbage or gourd or anything, so you can just try to tell it that, so in Arabic we say this as this, so it will help you to remember. Or when you're going for shopping, and that time also you can use the Arabic word to remember, So when you shop, you can use that Arabic word and you will remember because they did it practically. So that's all for our video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and press the bell icon so you can see our latest uploads. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.